Welcome, today I am with Redmi Buds 3 and I want to show you how you can connect them to your iPhone. So the first, simply go for the settings on your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Right now open the case and click and hold this button on the front for 2 seconds until this indicator starts blinking like that. Right now we can release. You will find your Redmi Buds 3 on the list, but if you don't have them here, just turn off and turn on back the Bluetooth. Select your device. Now just be patient and wait a little bit, and there it is. As you can see, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.